bakagirwa abo nigo bare ababwatani baye Geoffrey Asanyo oyorenge kurwanirira kirogo ogosoberera kurwanirira kirogo cy'obuchumbe asebungeyo ya kitutu cha cheno thigokwana no mospidio Kisii Central Isaac Kimwele oyobaga koenekia enganeyo.
Just confirm that on 13th August 2024 at around 17:00 hours, police officers who were on patrol around Ndarajambili area intercepted a probox which was carrying 25 rungus, 24 unmarked yellow reflectors. The motor vehicle was taken to Kisii Central Police Station. The driver was arrested. The motor vehicle is still under the custody of the police, and the driver is still under the custody of the police. The motive of carrying the rungus and the reflectors is yet to be established. So the matter is under investigation, and for the purpose of avoiding to jeopardize investigation, I don't wish to